Hello dear student, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is solution of challenging math question class. It is question 128. In this class, we want to solve this problem if f of x plus 1 over x plus 4 is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 16. Then find the value of f of 17. F of 17 is equal to question mark. Dear students, if you like our channel, please subscribe and share with your friend. Solution. Here we have f of x plus 1 over x plus 4 is equal to 1 over x square plus 1 over x square plus 16. We have a formula. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b, first term multiplied by second term, 2 into a into b plus 2 into a into c plus 2 into b into c. If you want to find a square plus b square plus c square, then we can write this implies a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2ac minus 2bc. It is the formula which we have from algebra, identity algebra. Now we can write x square plus 1 over x whole square plus 4 square. According to this formula, we can write first term x plus second term 1 over x plus third term 4 whole square minus 2 into x into 1 over x into 1 over x minus 2 into a into c, x into 4 into x minus 2 into b into c, 1 over x into 4. It is equal to x plus 1 over x plus 4 whole square minus x by x cancelled, minus 2 minus 8x minus 2 multiplied by 4 minus 8 into 1 over x. It is equal to x plus 1 over x plus 4 whole square minus 8x minus 8 into 1 over x minus 32 plus 32 minus 2. Just we add minus 32 plus 32. Actually, we didn't add anything. They will cancel, then we will get 0. It is equal to x plus 1 over x plus 4 whole square minus, we take 8 as a factor, x plus 1 over x plus 4. Here we can write 32 plus 32 minus 2, it is equal to 30. Actually, we get x square plus 1 over x square plus 16 is equal to this term, this expression. Then we can write f of x plus 1 over x plus 4 is equal to x plus 1 over x plus 4 whole square, x plus 1 over x plus 4 whole square minus 8 into x plus 1 over x plus 4, x plus 1 over x plus 4 minus plus 30. If we substitute y is equal to x plus 1 over x plus 4, then we get f of y is equal to y square y squared minus 8 into y plus 30. Now if we want to find f of 17. Y is equal to 17. This implies f of 17 is equal to 17 square minus 8 into 17 plus 30. It is equal to 17 square 289 minus 8 multiplied by 7 56. 8 multiplied by 1 we have 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 plus 30. Now it is equal to, from 9 we subtract 6, it is equal to 3. 8 minus 3 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 30. We add these two numbers, we get 183. It is the solution of this question. In fact, therefore f of 17 is equal to 183. It is the answer of this question. Thank you.